Charlie Cushane here to give you an update on my banyan tree I planted 18 months ago, just a year and a half, and it's grown to this. As you can see, it is over 12 feet tall and about 6 feet wide and is growing spectacular. Let's take a closer look. Here's the banyan tree. It is growing unbelievably, and it is really doing great. As you can see, there's lots of new growth and branches sprouting all the way up to the top. And one thing to note, at the base, I'm starting to see a little growth of some kind. As you can see, I'm not sure what it is. It may turn into be more branches that grow up or something, but I'm not 100% sure what it is, but we'll have to wait and find out. As you can see, 6 months ago, the leaves were touching the ground, and no longer is that the case. They are up in the air about 3 feet, and the trunk is probably at least 2 to 3 inches in diameter at the base. And there is lots of branches. I was first excited when we got branches. That surely told me it's becoming a tree, but when a branch like this one here gets another branch that you see right here, that tells you it's really growing. And if you come around this side, you can see another branch on a branch right here. This is all new growth, and the leaves look fantastic. As you see here, this is all new growth. Right here, more leaves are ready to pop out, and this has just popped out. So there you have my banyan tree update. At a year and a half, it's grown way beyond my expectations, and it seems to be really flourishing in my backyard here. Let's hope it keeps on going.